Oh God, I'm so confused right now.
What are you so stressed about?
I don't know, I'm anxious about which course to choose. I'm scared that I might end up choosing the non-beneficial career option.
Well, there are n number of courses for your bright future. But one of them is B.Sc IT, which is a 3 years undergraduate course dealing with software development, database management and networking design. And it provides you the handful experience of programming languages such as Java, C++ and many more.
That's good. But what about scope and packages?
After B.Sc IT, you can enter into different fields such as finance, banking, gaming, and even they provide you the package of 10 to 12 lakh per annum.
That is so interesting, but my parents won't allow me to go out of Nagpur.
No problem, because Raisoni, which is affiliated with RT Avenue Nagpur University, is providing these courses. So go now and get your admission.
Thank you so much. I'm so much in relief right now.